Okay,
Tito.
we're gonna do the reveal to see if it's Tito.
Where is he? Oh, I hope it is.
Oh
Oh my God, it's Tito.
Sorry.
Oh, Tito. Hi, buddy.
Since August.
July.
I don't know how he ended up at the airport.
Don't we look for so long?
Oh my God, I'm so crying right now.
Tracey, thank you so much.
Oh.
I'm Laura's mom, by the way.
Hi.
Oh my God.
You should have seen him when he heard your voice on the phone. When you said his name.
Tito, baby.
He ate a whole can of recovery food.
Oh, we're gonna take him to the vets tomorrow.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, come here, baby. Oh, Titi. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, baby. Did you miss mommy? Oh, I know.
Definitely a Christmas miracle, huh?
Hi, sweetie. Oh, mama missed you.
Do you have a pet taxi?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna loan you one because he ain't getting out.
We were just so in a rush to get here.
All right. Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Give you